People like different things. Some love to eat and some love to sleep. Tingu too had a nice hobby. He wanted to race. Tingu would gather small children around the area and get them to race.
The winner will get lemon drop candies.
You have to run too. You are a kid as well.
Tingu got really angry.
Looks like you need a lemon drop candy.
After some days, the children indulged in the race. But they got tired of the lemon drop candies.
Oh, come on, Uncle. You have to grow up. Then when are we going to get these lemon drop candies? We need to get something bigger.
Tingu was embarrassed and he stopped the children's race immediately.
The children were right. I have become useless. Whoever comes makes fun of me. I'll have to do something big.
And soon the opportunity knocked at Tingu's door. Tingu was reading a newspaper and that's when he saw an advertisement.
Elephant race. That too in our city. This is my big chance. Even I'm going to take part in this.
Tingu went to the race organizers and filled out his form and then headed to the market to buy an elephant.
You have come to the right place. My name is Hattu and I will give you an elephant.
Hattu. What sort of name is this?
My real name is Dattu. Staying with elephants now, my name is Hattu. Tell me, what kind of elephant do you want?
I want an elephant that can run. Want for the purpose of a race.
Don't worry. I will give you an elephant that runs fast, even faster than a horse.
Oh my god, I have never come across a bigger liar than you. Can an elephant run faster than a horse? Is it possible?
That elephant wanted to be a horse, but became an elephant under family pressure.
And that's when the trader showed Tingu an elephant. He was huge and strong.
This is the elephant that runs very fast. You can take it.
So he makes the payment and then takes the elephant with him. He mounts the elephant and starts to race with the elephant. The elephant was running so fast. Tingu was enjoying the ride.
This elephant runs very fast. I am sure this elephant will come first in the race.
And just then on the way, Tingu met his neighbor Attitude. Attitude would always be in his attitude, and he would always be jealous of others. Upon seeing Tingu, he mentions,
Oh, where are you going with this mosquito? This is not a mosquito. This is an elephant. I'm asking the elephant only. Where are you taking this mosquito?
Upon hearing this, Tingu got really angry.
Attitude, stay within your limits. Now I'm a big man. I'm taking part in elephant race. I have a brilliant elephant, sure to win the race. Come on, elephant.
Tingu went off with the elephant and Attitude was left wondering.
This Tingu who would indulge in children's race is now preparing to enter in elephant race. More than my attitude is his confidence. If he wins the race, I will lose my value in our area. No, I can't let him win the race.
On the other hand, as soon as Lambu got to know that Tingu is going to participate in a race, he set off to meet the elephant with a bunch of bananas for him.
I am so thrilled, Tingu, that our elephant will participate in the race. See, I have brought bananas for the elephant.
Very well done, Lambu. Go, feed the elephant with these bananas.
Lambu went to the elephant and started to feed him bananas. On the other hand, a big ground was being ready for the race in the center of the city. The preparations for the elephant race were in full swing. One night, Lambu and Tingu were asleep. The elephant was tied outside, and then Attitude came to the elephant with an injection.
Tomorrow is the race. If I give this elephant this injection now, then this elephant will not move from here for the next 4 days.
And with this, Attitude injected the elephant, and after that, he ran away to his house. Next morning, Lambu came to the elephant. The elephant was lazily sitting on the ground.
Hey elephant, come on, get up. We have to practice the race. We have to win.
But the elephant refused to budge. Lambu tried a lot, but in vain. Tingu also got there to help the elephant stand up, but the elephant refused to get up.
Oh no! What do we do now? The elephant refuses to budge. We have just 1 hour to go before the start of the race.
And that's when Tingu started to cry.
Don't worry, Tingu. I will make him stand up.
Lambu pushed the elephant from the ground and raised the elephant to his feet. Elephant was soon on his feet.
Wow, Lambu! That is great! You are the true elephant.
But as soon as Lambu removed his hand, the elephant again sat on the ground.
Oh no, he doesn't want to stand up on his feet. Now what do we do? It is just half an hour for the race.
What do we do now? If we don't take part in the race, we'll suffer huge losses. We lose our respect and deposit too that I had to give at the time of filling the form.
And then Tingu started to look at Lambu in a strange way. His perception had changed.
Don't waste your time looking at me. Come on, let's go to arrange for another elephant. At least we will be able to save the deposit.
No, Lambu, the other elephant is also here.
Where is it?
You!
What? Have you lost your senses?
Lambu, you have a body like an elephant and the strength of an elephant. You just proved it by lifting this elephant. I made a mistake by buying this elephant. Actually, I should have prepared you for the race.
You mean I should run in the elephant race? And even if I run, will the people agree for this?
On the contrary, people will enjoy. You just come along with me.
And Lambu Tingu arrived at the ground. All the elephants were lined up. In the same line, Lambu stood next to the elephants with Tingu mounted over his shoulders. People were laughing, seeing the two of them there.
And now we're going to start the elephant race. And we have a special feature in the race. We will have an elephant-like human participating in this race. He is called Lambu. And Tingu has filled his entry in this race. So let us get ready for this very interesting race.
The guns were fired and the race started. All the elephants started to run together. And in between the elephants, Lambu started to run with Tingu.
Run, Lambu! Faster! Faster, Lambu!
Lambu ran very fast and very soon he left all the elephants behind in the race. And Lambu won the race.
Yay!
And in this way, Tingu used his wit to win the race. And they even won a very big amount as the prize money. Looking at this, Attitude got really furious. He was sitting and watching the race.